Throughout its life, the human body faces a great number of different diseases and harmful factors that have an extremely negative effect on it, and sometimes it cannot cope with them alone. Traditional medicine has accumulated many recipes that will help you maintain the condition of your body at the proper level, and we're going to discuss one of them in today's video. You might be surprised, but there's a plant that combines a huge number of beneficial properties. If applied correctly, it's possible to reduce the risk of viral and fungal diseases, as well as destroy accumulated harmful bacteria. Besides, the use of the infusion of such a plant will strengthen your immunity and promote the active excretion of phlegm and mucus. This plant is oregano, or as it's also called, the bush basil. For the correct preparation of a decoction made of this plant, it's necessary to put 1 teaspoon of dried oregano into a container and pour 250 milliliters of boiling water over it. Next, cover the container and infuse the product for 20 minutes. Filter the resulting decoction and add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Also add 1 drop of oregano oil, as it will enhance the effect of this remedy. Take 1 glass of such a decoction 1 time per day. Such a drink will have extremely useful properties. However, consult a physician before you start using it to identify possible contraindications.